It seems that many of you want to style your hair and ask me questions about styling your hair with no products. And that's what we're talking about today. How to, or actually, can you style your hair? And do I, as a professional, suggest styling your hair without any products? So let's firstly talk about products in general. Clearly, yes, I have my own hair care product line, which I'm very, very proud of, and I stand behind them 100% as a professional. So to me, when I first got introduced to the salon industry, and I was, educating and myself and learning in school and out on the road and in salons, whatever education I was doing, I could not achieve, just hear me out on this. I could not achieve the hairstyles that I needed to achieve without using product. As a professional, a trained individual learning how to cut hair and style hair, I was not able to achieve the styles that I needed to achieve without using any products, So when people ask me, Salon Guy, how to style hair with no products, and what's the best way, or how do I dry my hair with no heat? It's like, how do you cook a chicken without an oven? Or how do you cook it, you know what I mean? It's like, so to me, I don't know why there's this big fear about hair products and, styling tools and heat. Yes, obviously there are garbage hair products out there. And there are hair products, doesn't matter really ingredients as much. I mean, yes, they're important, but like some of them just are awful. There's a lot of bad products. I've used many awful products from massive, big hair care companies, and, sometimes hair products will not get you the style you're looking for simply because the product itself may suck. All right, let's just be honest with you. It may not be the greatest product. But it seems that I want to ask you a question. Why do you want to style your hair with no products? What is the issue with products? Find the right ones that you like and that work for your hair. The key, it's like needing a prescription. You need the right products for your hair style, for your hair type. Because you may have used something you don't like, and all of a sudden you're like, oh, I don't want to use products, and how do I style my hair? You're not going to be able, it's like trying to gain muscle without having weights or without working out your body or your arms or whatever it is. You have to, in order to get the right results, you need the tools, okay? You need the fuel, you need the resources, whatever it is to achieve it. So when it comes to hairstyles, right, and how to achieve a hairstyle with no products. Now, you can get a haircut, okay? Let's just say, for example, let's take this mannequin right here, all right? And you get a haircut, and your hair just always constantly falls in your face like this. You got a side part, it's always falling in your face. You may like that, and you may be like, hey, you know what? My hair is literally in perfect condition. It's super, super straight. It's a nice, good, healthy, thick head of hair. There's no frizz. It's silky smooth. I don't need to do anything to my hair. I don't need to put any products in my hair. It looks magical simply because of the haircut. There you go. You don't need products, then good for you. You have to wash your hair, right? Products, shampoo and conditioner are technically they're products. So you need products for your hair, okay? So styling products, though, you may not need them. And if you are one of those individuals who is totally happy with the way their hair looks, falling down in the face like this, a side part, constantly just whatever it is, or you shave your head like mine, yes, we're good candidates for not needing products. But that one time where you say, you know what, I'm so sick of my hair always falling flat in my face, it never stays back. It's almost like, sell me this pen. Or write your name down. Well, I don't have a pen. There you go. You need a pen. It's the same thing with product. If I said to you, slick your hair back and let it stay back for like a good 4 or 5 hours. Well, I don't have any products. There you go. Same philosophy. So in order to achieve a specific hairstyle, you are going to need product, right? You're going to need a specific product designed to help you achieve what you're looking for. So the only way to style your hair without any sort of product is if you, here's another example. You have a haircut that you are 100% happy with without needing any sort of hair product aside from shampoo and conditioner. You have to wash and condition your hair. There's no other way around it. You have to, okay? But if you have a haircut, okay, that your hair texture you love, you don't mind that it's frizzy, you don't mind that it's got curls and waves, and if you're okay with your hair naturally doing what it does, you don't need products. You have the right haircut. Products are always going to be beneficial for your hair no matter what. But again, if you have that unique situation where you're just 100% cool with whatever your hair does, there you go, okay? Another situation, another haircut is something like this, where you've got super thick hair, but chances are, if you don't have any product, your hair is going to fall flat like this all the time. This has tidal wave in it. I know for a fact because I did a video on this. This has tidal wave, and tidal wave is like our number one selling product. It's an amazing product for for styling, and it turns into almost like a dry type shampoo. If I didn't have tidal wave sprayed in the hair, okay, here it is right here. If I didn't have this sprayed in the hair, guess what? It's gonna fall flat. If I had no product in it whatsoever, it's just gonna, and you're gonna end up being like, I hate my hair. You're gonna have to always be brushing your hair out of your face, especially if you're trying to grow your hair longer. So, my opinion, products are always needed, okay? Products are always needed if you have a specific, style that you want in your hair, all right? Now, another cool thing, this is the first time I'm announcing this, I have my own hair clips now. Hair clips, okay? These are hair clips that, now when you're styling your hair, say for example, you're styling your hair, you're blow drying your hair, you're doing something to your hair, and they come in a pack of 6, and it's $12, all right, for this pack of 6. All right, here we go right here. So let's take one of the clips, and I'm going to show you how to go about using something like this. So what they are great for is they're great for sectioning off hair. So let's just say you're cutting your hair yourself. You open up the clip like this. All right, there it is. You open the clip up, press down, and it's going to open, and then you can section. Use this lower clip right here to section off the hair. And then what you do is you clip it. These are alligator clips. They are so strong that, say for example, you're trying to do an undercut, you're trying to style your hair a certain way, you're trying to just do something with your hair, you can then use these clips to keep the hair out of the way. This is what we use as professionals when we're cutting hair, but you can use this when you're blow drying hair, you can use this if you're cutting your hair yourself, you can use this when you're styling your hair, for example, and there you go. The reason I went with alligator clips to me is because they're the strongest. I've used other clips in the past, like certain like duckbill clips or metal clips or ones that don't have this power. They're okay, but to me, these are the strongest hair clips. So these are now available at shop.thesalonguy.com. I'm super excited about these, and I do have a variety of hair tools. If you're not interested in hair products, maybe you're interested in hair tools, right? A blow dryer, brushes, whatever it is. But I think that people need to stop being afraid and stop thinking that hair products are the worst thing for you. Yes, again, there's products that aren't the greatest, or they're not really great for your hair type. But that's where you have to ask questions, you need to experiment, and find out what's going to be best for you. If you are interested in using any of my products, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20. And right now, actually till the end of this month, we're doing a 30% off flash end of the year sale, and ends, I believe, Friday. So while you can, you get an automatic 30% off at shop.thesalonguy.com, which is I think really cool. So let me know if this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.